Keanu Reeves is being called a hero just for dating a woman, almost his own age. How depressing. The actor's girlfriend, artist Alexandra Grant, is 51 and unabashedly looks it, her naturally graying hair left undyed. She is in appearance an adult woman, a sight rarely seen on a red carpet in Los Angeles. How low is the bar set for men these days? The bar is the floor. Keanu Reeves just casually walked over it, and now people are rushing to scream his praises all over social media. The notoriously reclusive actor hasn't been pictured on the red carpet with a romantic partner in years. Cue surprise and admiration when he was photographed in Los Angeles holding hands with artist Alexandra Grant. Of course, part of the joy some found in this unremarkable event is the result of Reeves' recent return to fame via the medium of internet meme. Sad Keanu is now shorthand for a lost-looking man, forlornly eating a sandwich or staring into the distance, contemplating the utter loneliness of modern life, a reflection of our own isolation and existential yearning. Or so I've heard. The actor has also spoken candidly in interviews about grief and loss, sharing the tragedy of losing a child at birth and then his longtime partner in a car accident. The people of Twitter want Keanu to find happiness. He's well overdue his happy ending. And yet the underlying message to much of yesterday's digital excitement was not about the fact that the John Wick star had finally got a girlfriend, but at the girlfriend he had found, or, at least, at her age. Grant is 51 this year and unabashedly looks it, her naturally graying hair left undyed. She is in appearance an adult woman, a sight still, sadly, very rarely seen on a red carpet in Los Angeles. We are positively faint with praise for the actor because finally, mercifully, we see a famous man dating a woman who is almost his own age. Don't blame the fawning masses, it's not entirely our fault for feeling a surge of elation at this news. Women have grown so accustomed to celebrities embodying Matthew McConaughey's Wooderson character in the film Dazed and Confused, who notoriously offered the following wisdom about his chosen romantic pursuits. I get older, they stay the same age.
That's what I love about these high school girls, man. I get older, they stay the same age. Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
We're so cynical about the romantic behavior of male stars. That when a photo of Leonardo DiCaprio dating the young model Camila Morrone, who is literally half his age. Leonardo DiCaprio has seemingly never dated a woman aged 27 or older, and, at the age of 48, it seems he doesn't intend to start now. Last year, the actor broke up with his long-term girlfriend, model and actress Camila Morrone, just months after she turned 25. The couple had been together since 2018, when Morrone was 20 years old, but when she approached her 25th birthday in June, netizens joked that their relationship was doomed, and it turns out they were right. Then, we were given a glimmer of hope when DiCaprio was rumored to be dating 27-year-old model Gigi Hadid, but that was pretty short-lived, especially considering he's now rumored to be dating a, deep breath here, okay, 19-year-old Eden Polani. There has been no confirmation of this fact, but dating women who are significantly younger than you creates an unbalanced power dynamic in your favor. It is kind of gross and, frankly, predatory. When 70-year-old music producer David Foster married 35-year-old singer Katharine McPhee, it was par for the course. Remember, Katharine McPhee was 35, not 40. These age-imbalanced celebrity relationships are a glaring reminder of how society views women over the age of 40 as romantically past it, an insult echoed inside the film industry itself, where an actress can play an ingenue and a romantic lead at 23 but is relegated to playing her dowdy mother a decade later. On aging in our society, Oprah Winfrey once said, "We live in a youth-obsessed culture that is constantly trying to tell us that if we are not young, and we're not glowing, and we're not hot, that we don't matter." Women over a certain age are repeatedly told by movies, music, dating apps, employers, clothing companies, and advertisements that they don't matter to the opposite sex. In fact, they might not exist at all. So it's understandable that so many are experiencing relief at seeing a woman over 40, especially one who actually looks her age, rather than disguising it with expensive surgery, holding hands with one of the most famous actors in the world. But when men have spent a lifetime getting standing ovations for doing literally the bare minimum, I think we can set a slightly higher standard. Appreciating women almost your own age as romantic equals should be seen as normal standard in our modern world. I guess this is why Keanu Reeves is loved by so many aging women in the world. Hopefully someday, men and women could finally reach the true gender equality. So, what do you think? Is it fair that we always assume that a famous and rich man should date a younger woman? Welcome to leave a comment and let's know. Have a wonderful day.